Hi everyone, Jehangir here, and you are welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can download the Bfic Network App and do the sign up. It's a very basic video for those members who are joining for the first time. ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो पहली बार Bfic नेटवर्क की ऐप साइन अप कर रहे हैं इस बिकॉज इसमें एक नया वर्जन अपडेट आया था 24 वर्जन है ये एंड इसके बाद इसके जो पहले के जो ओल्ड मेंबर्स हैं इनके लिए थोड़ा डिफरेंट प्रोसेस है। वो ऑलरेडी कंपनी ने आपको भेजा हुआ है। जिसको नहीं मिल पाया है वो मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ इनोवेशन फैक्ट्री आई एम जस्ट लाइक टू show you how it works. So you first of all you have to go to Google Play Store to download this application. You need to type Bfic Network. Bfic आप लोग अपने फ़ोन पे टाइप करेंगे। दिस एप्लीकेशन इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन गूगल प्ले स्टोर एज वेल एज ऐप स्टोर। तो आप जब अपने एप्पल आईफोन पे भी डालेंगे इसको Bfic टाइप करेंगे तो आपको ये एप्लीकेशन मिल जाएगी। दिस इज़ द एप्लीकेशन। इसकी जो डेवलपर है वो है ब्लॉक हब लिमिटेड विच इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ इनोवेशन फैक्ट्री। यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन इंस्टॉल। Since it's Bfic Network is a blockchain app, so let me just assure you and warn you guys that having this private key जो in sign up पे मिलती है is very important. At the time of sign up, you will be shown a private key which you all need to save positively. In case of a loss, you have to do a re-sign up, and this wallet will not work. So what happens in blockchain is that you generate a wallet address, and to access that wallet address you need to have a private key. So as you can see, this app is now downloaded on my phone. I'll just click on open. So you can allow these permissions to the app. Now there are two options. One is login and other one is sign up. So all those members who are joining from today onwards, today is 8th of August, and a recent update has come. So all the new team members who are going to join, they need to follow this process. So you will click on sign up. You need to enter your country code. You need to enter your phone number. Okay, so I'll just enter something random because I'm already signed up with all my phone numbers and everything. So this is basically a testing and it's basically a demonstration. So I'll just quickly move on to the details how it works. So let's suppose that I am currently in UAE. So we can select the country UAE. The country code is I can enter is maybe first name. I can enter all my details. Username is maybe demonstration. Email is very important right now because I'll have to enter an actual email address because I'll be receiving OTP on this address. So I'm using one of my IDs. Is jehangir@saltaudios.com. This is one of my actual IDs. Password again, as I told you, this is a demonstration, so I'll just put it as demonstration. Let's check if both of them match. Yes, they do match. Referral code. Now this is the important part. Since you all will be distributing this video to your teams, so you need to ensure them. You need to tell them that they have to enter your code. So whatever your code is, suppose my code is YWI4813 is usually an alphanumeric code with some letters and digits. So you can see that I have filled in all the details. I have entered my country, phone number. You have to enter your actual mobile number. I have just entered a random number. You can enter your name. Demonstration is the username, and you can put any username as per your choice. What matters most is the email ID. So because all the OTPs are sent to your email ID. Your referral code is the person who has referred you to this business, this network for mining. So now I'll click on sign up. Okay, so my password should contain one digit. I'll just enter 1. Okay, let me just take a screenshot of this as well, because a lot of people will ask for this later on. You have to keep these details very safe with you. This is it. Yeah. So once you fill in your country, your phone number, your name, your email, your username, you need to click on sign up. Okay, special character is there, so I'll add one special character. So now you guys can see that while entering the password, you need to enter one digit as well as a special character, which is @ in this demonstration. So let's move on. So now it says that an OTP has been mailed to your registered email account. So I need to go and check my email. My email at this one. I'm still waiting for the OTP to come. I'll click on resend. Let's hope I get an email this time. Sometimes this mail goes to the spam folder as well. Yeah, you can see. So in case you're not getting OTP on your main primary inbox, you can go and check the spam folder. Here it is there, and I've received the OTP. So which the system is detecting as a spam. So it is not a spam. I'll report it not. It is not a spam. So now I can go to my inbox and check the OTP. Yeah, the email OTP received second time is 133954. So you have to enter this OTP here. Click on verify OTP. So now the registration is done successfully, and now we come to the most important part of this process. Below is the private key, and it is very important that you copy and keep it safe. If private key is lost, then you will lose your currency. Okay, so we have to take a screenshot. I just took a screenshot. I click on download primary key. Okay, we can do this, and then you have to copy this and save it somewhere safe. So for example, I'll just put it in my notes. I'll just save the key. Okay, this is very important that you do it the same way which I am telling you right now. You have to take a screenshot. You have to copy this. Sometimes the download PDF button does not work. It might not get downloaded properly. So it is very important that you copy it and save it somewhere before ticking to I have saved my private key, because this will be given to you only once. It is not accessible. It will not be shown later on. It is not the company cannot recover it, and nobody is able to know it. Okay, so there's no option, since it's blockchain based. There is no option that you can I'm given this private key by the system. It is auto generated, and this private key is the most important part of this whole process, as I told you earlier. So you have to use this key later on, and you can access your wallets across the blockchain using this private key. So any person who doesn't save it and just click on I have saved my private key and moves on will be at financial loss, because they won't be able to recover or access their accounts. So make sure you copy it by pressing these two boxes, square boxes, this way. You copy it, you save it to some notes, or you save it to, you mail it to your email, you send it to your personal WhatsApp or something. Then you click on download. Okay, you have to download it, and then you can click on login. Once you're sure that you have saved the private key, then only you are supposed to move on. And I am emphasizing on this again and again, that this is the only process by which you can save this account. So this is a very simple process, and it's very basic. It just take 5 minutes for the sign up, and once I click on login, I'll be taken to login. So my username was demonstration, okay, and the password was demonstration. Don't try to access this account, because this is a dummy account and I'm not going to use it, guys. Okay, so demonstration @1. Okay, once you enter your username, you can also log in using your email address as well. Okay, so I'm putting username, and password was demonstration. Check the spellings before login again. So I click on sign up. So I've already copied my key, or what I can do is I can go to my notes, or I can download it from here. I have copied this. I am copying it again in front of you, so that you can know the whole process and how to save and move on. So once you put your username and password, you will be taken to enter private key. I'll click on submit, and you just log on to your account. Awesome. So now you can see that you have signed up successfully to Bfic network. You can check all the details in this top right profile. You can go and check your profile. It shows my name and my username and my phone number, and it has generated me a referral code as well for me to send somebody. I can refer somebody by sharing this profile. Now the process of making this profile active is that if I click on this power button, it will ask me for a fund, and this is the fund which is the registration fees in this mining app. So in this mining app, the deposit fee is 0.5 Bfic, and this is the address on which you're supposed to send this half Bfic. You can copy it, and copy this address. You can paste this to exchange. You can go to XCHANGEON. You can buy your Bfic over there, and you can withdraw it on this address. Any amount of coins you can withdraw. 0.5 will be used for registration, and the rest you can stake. So suppose, for example, I bought 10.5 coins or 10.6 coins. So 0.5 coin will be used for registration, which is a one-time registration fee, and the remaining 10 coins I can add them to stake. So I will be getting the mining rewards on all the coins. Say it's 10.5, with the 0.5 which I paid for registration, I will be getting mining rewards for those half coin as well. This is the basic interface of the application. On the top right, once you transfer coins to this app, it will be shown on the top left corner, this one, and you can add, to get your address, you need to send coins to this address. This address you can copy it and take it to any exchange. You can send it to somebody who they can also send you Bfics. Okay, and this is your referral link. this option is like you can send your referral link to somebody and copy it and send to WhatsApp. Now this power button you need to press daily to earn money. That's it. It's very simple. All you need to do is in 24 hours you just need to click it once. Okay, you can check your username here. You can check your team, how many members team you have made. You can check how many coins you have staked and how much rewards you have received. This is the network states, guys. Around 3,44,213 people have already joined Bfic network, and around 35,68,543 coins are staked in this pool. So once you register, then you can start mining, and once you do the sign up, you start with the 0.5 Bfic. Then you need to click on this power button and it will show mining in progress. And then later on you can add any amount of coins you want, maybe 1 coin or maybe 1,000 coins. It's up to you. Once you add that, it's a very simple process. It will ask you for the amount of coins you want to add, and you need to enter your private key, which we have saved in the during the sign up process. And then it will ask you that for how much duration you want to lock the coins. So there are two tiers. Tier 1 is 400 days and tier 2 is 200 days. So on tier 1, which is 400 days, you get 0.5% daily reward, or we can say monthly 15%. In tier 2, which is 200 days, you get 0.4% daily rewards, or you can say 12% monthly. You get coins in return. So suppose I am staking 100 coins, I get 15%, which is like 15 coins per day in tier 1. And the percentage is fixed, right? 0.5% per day. So if I'm staking 100 coins, I'll be getting 0.5 coin daily. This way, this is how it works. You will be getting coins, and then once it becomes 1 coin, you can withdraw it and you can take it to the exchange and sell it, and you will get USDTs or BUSDs, whichever is convenient for you. So right now LBank and XCHANGEON are the two exchanges on which you can sell it right away. The current price you can see is $29.34. This is the price which is going on today. You can go to this graph here. It will show your mining capital, your deposit statement, your lock coins. Lock coins are the ones which have you locked for staking. Suppose I am locking it for 400 days, so it will show me that 10 coins have been locked. Here. Those coins which have completed their staking period. So suppose they've completed their 400 days period, they will be free and they will be shown in this available capital section. You will see total rewards on a daily basis. You can check the statement as well, that how many rewards you are getting daily. You can withdraw your rewards from this withdraw button. Okay, right now I don't have any funds, so that's why it's showing insufficient fund. You can check your teams as well. You can go to your team, your level 1. So this app offers you 12 level of affiliate income, which is huge. So on level 1, if somebody is there and they're referring somebody, they will fall in level 2. Okay, and so all your direct members will be on your level 1. So anybody you are referring to or you are directing to will be on level 1. And then you have level 2, then people will work, and this team will build on, and you can have up to 12 level of incomes, which is huge, right? And you can check this. There are the channels. You can Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, and you can go to this section as well, which is having content about Bfic videos. So there's an official song for that. So this is the basic video, and this is the sign up process. Once you do this sign up, this is the sign up process. Once you transfer coins to this address at Bfic, then your coins will reflect on the top left, and you need to press this power button. 0.5 coin will be deducted and your profile will become active, and this button will show mining in progress. So this is how it works, and for further updates I'll guide you in the next video. Thank you.